All right, my favorite engine, Detroit 60 series in a Freightliner. Got a coolant leak. Customer thinks it's the water pump. Definitely got a coolant leak going on. This has the EGR, so I had it running and seen some coolant coming down here. So I said, well, let me get under this bad boy. I mean, come on now, who figures this out? I've been here 5 minutes. All right, where are we at? All right, so I saw it leaking down here, and looks like that pipe right there. It's definitely leaking either from right there, and then what's happening when the truck is on and it's running, it's blowing up. I mean, the fitting may be bad. I'm gonna try and tighten them up and see what that does. Like you can see right here, that coolant was running down. They're using yellow water coolant, I guess. But yeah, so this line may need to be replaced, but I'm thinking try to tighten it up and we'll see what's up. All right, stand by. All right, so I don't know if I just recorded that, but I put my wrench on this one here and it tightened it up pretty good. Seems like it's not doing nothing, so I'm trying to get this one. All right, let's see if I can tighten the rest up. I'll let you know.